Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X SUPERLIGHT 2C. In this video I'll show you how to create custom DPI preset. In the beginning, let's go to Logitech G HUB, sensitivity, and select create custom preset. Now, right here, select it and adjust the preset stages. Maximum DPI is 44,000. You can now set it as default DPI. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.